Welcome to the Centennial House. It's obviously another Christmas season. This is the time of year when all of us enjoy celebrating the season, but moderation is something which needs to be observed, particularly during holiday parties. And in connection with that topic, I want to talk to you about a significant change that's occurred in connection with the DWI laws in the state of New York. The most significant change since the prompt suspension rule was employed over 10 years ago, and that is the ignition interlock requirement, which became effective on August 15th of this year. As of the present time, anybody arrested since August 15th of 2010 who is eventually convicted of either DWI as a misdemeanor, either common law or per se, that's under sections 1192 subdivision 3 or 1192 subdivision 2, or aggravated DWI under section 1192 2A, or felony DWI, and who is subsequently sentenced to either a conditional discharge or a probation, must have fitted to an automobile which that individual either owns or has regular use of an ignition interlock device. This quite simply is a device which requires that the operator provide a breath sample, and that breath sample reflect an absence of alcohol intoxication before the individual can then operate the automobile by engaging the ignition. This interlock device has to be fitted for a minimum period of 6 months, and possibly as long as, in connection with probation on a felony, 3 years. It does not apply to convictions for either driving while impaired under section 1192 subdivision 1 or driving while ability impaired by drugs, section 1192 subdivision 4 or 4A. We've given you a lot of complicated provisions. Needless to say, this is a brand new requirement. It's a requirement which is now being fully implemented since we're in December of 2010, and it's something which changes the complexion of not only prosecution, but obviously the sentencing aspect of all DWI criminal cases. If you are arrested, you should immediately contact an attorney to be advised of your rights and how this new provision in the law may affect your particular case. The better course of action, obviously, is to avoid drinking to excess, even at this time of year when all of us enjoy celebrating. On behalf of the law offices of John Lewis Wilson, 111 Ontario Street, Lockport, New York, we wish you a healthy and safe holiday season. Thank you.